Give credit where credit is due. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Give credit where credit is due. It's a simple concept, and yet it can have a profound impact on our lives. At its core, this proverb is all about acknowledging and recognizing the efforts of others. When we give credit where credit is due, we show gratitude and respect for the work that others have done. So how can we apply this concept to our lives? One way is by being mindful of the contributions of our colleagues, friends, and family members. Instead of taking credit for something that someone else has done, we can be generous with our praise and recognition. By doing so, we create an atmosphere of trust and appreciation that can benefit everyone involved. Another way to give credit where credit is due is by acknowledging the lessons that we learn from our failures. When we fail, it's easy to become discouraged and give up. However, if we take the time to reflect on what went wrong and what we can do differently next time, we can turn our failures into opportunities for growth and development. Ultimately, the message behind "give credit where credit is due" is one of humility and gratitude. It reminds us that we are all interconnected and that we can accomplish great things when we work together and recognize the efforts of others. By embracing this concept, we can create a more harmonious, productive, and fulfilling life for ourselves and those around us. Giving credit to others can also improve our relationships and build trust. When we acknowledge the contributions of others, they feel seen and valued. This can lead to stronger connections and a better sense of community. Additionally, when we give credit where credit is due, we set an example for others to do the same. This can create a positive feedback loop where everyone is recognized for their efforts and accomplishments. Overall, giving credit is a small act that can have a big impact on our lives and those around us. So next time you achieve something, remember to acknowledge the efforts of others who helped you get there. Give credit where credit is due is not just about acknowledging other people's efforts, but also about recognizing and appreciating our own accomplishments. It's common to downplay our own successes or attribute them solely to luck or circumstances. However, when we give ourselves credit for our hard work and achievements, we build confidence and self-esteem. This, in turn, can motivate us to tackle new challenges and reach even higher goals. Remember, giving credit where credit is due applies to ourselves as well as others. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.